Hi, Krugen. I thought it might be helpful to have a little visual correspondence to the equations, which are fairly complicated. So I set up this Venn diagram for the three perfumes and labeled each section, as you see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all those in green. And altogether, they come up to 84 because we know 0.16 is everybody else. Um, so the first three equations right here show information that's given in the problem, plus this equation D plus E plus F is all of the ones that are shared, just two-way sharing, right? So working these equations, um, it's a little bit difficult. You might have some trial and error there, but we know that G is 0.84 minus all the other parts, and then the trick is finding how we come up with those combination of other parts that will work. Everything adds up to 1.25, and so you can use that number and the convenient fact that we have the same number of DEs and Fs, and we do know the sum of DE and F. So that makes it possible to subtract this out as a unit, and comes down to G equals 0.13. All right, so 13% use all three. The number two, the respondents that used at least two, well, it's the ones that use exactly two, which we already know from the problem, plus what we just found for the ones that use three. So that comes out easily at 0.28. Then for the final, you have to realize that those that use both Havoc and Byredo might also be using Fa. It's this oval here, which is E plus G, and that is the 22. The part that is just the two, then we know Havoc and Byredo together just form 0.09. All right. And so D plus F plus G are the parts of those that use Fa, which are not A. A represents those who use Fa only. So we know that D plus F we can get by subtracting the E part out of those that use any two. We get 0.06. And also we have to take out the 0.13 for G. And that leaves in section A here just 0.21. Hope that helps.